Human brain structure and functions. Brain is an important and delicate organ, so it has to be protected well. Brain is covered by a fluid-filled balloon-like structure made up of 3 layers. These layers are called meninges, and the fluid present in between these layers is called cerebrospinal fluid. These layers and the fluid, they protect the brain from shocks and injuries. Brain, along with the meninges, is protected by an outer bony case called as cranium. Cranium is a hard structure that is made up of bone. Brain is the main coordinating center of our body. It receives the information from all parts of the body and integrates it. The main functions of our brain are thinking, decision making, storing information, producing emotions, and controlling body functions. Our body functions are of 2 types, voluntary and involuntary. The functions that are under our control are called voluntary functions. Writing, talking, dancing, clapping, these are the examples of voluntary functions controlled by our brain. The actions that are not under our control are called involuntary actions. Digestion, heartbeat, sneezing are some examples of involuntary actions controlled by human brain. Now let us see which part of the brain controls which functions. The brain has 3 main parts, namely the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Let us see about forebrain. The thought process takes place in the forebrain. Forebrain has regions which receive sensory impulses from various receptors. The forebrain has different centers for hearing, smell, sight, etc. The information from different sense organs is analyzed and compared with the information already stored in our brain. Based on this analysis, the forebrain takes a decision and sends it to the area of the brain which controls the movements of our voluntary muscles. For example, if we are playing football, our eyes sends the information about the position of the ball to the area of which analyzes it. After analysis, a decision is taken and the information is sent to the area of the brain which executes it. It causes the necessary movements in our muscles and makes us kick the ball in right direction with right force. The sensation of hunger and feeling full is also controlled by a separate area of forebrain. Next we see midbrain. Midbrain controls the visual and auditory reflexes. It also has center for controlling the movements of our eye and eyelids. Hindbrain. Hindbrain has 3 parts, namely pons, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. These parts control the involuntary functions of our body. Pons controls our sleep and wake cycle and breathing. Medulla controls heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, and more involuntary functions. Next, cerebellum. It is responsible for precision of voluntary actions and maintaining posture and balance of the body. Walking in a straight line, riding a bicycle, drawing an art, all these are possible because of cerebellum. These are the different parts of the brain and their functions. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.